Spreadsheets are the different kind of documents, and obviously whatever we enter there are either by typing through the keyboards or through the mouse entry with the right click and then doing something, and something is there to do the insertion. So obviously on the upper tab on the called ribbon, and there are the insert tab, and where you will get the insert graphs and insert charts and etc. And the charts are mainly the predefined kind of calculations, and modern mathematics is dependent on the three things: defining, interpretation, and representations. Interpretations and representations are the playing very important role in the modern mathematics and the modern mathematical modeling and technical modeling and technical communications, and for last 150 years. Before the spreadsheets were there, people used to do the same things with the manual process and Fisher, Gauss, and from after that the graphical representation started. And in Mahalanobis. Prashant Chandra Mahalanobis was Indian statistician who was one of the biggest contributors of these graph chart methods, and with the Fishers, the whole economic understanding and other kind of biological understanding, the biological data representations and many other things. Data representations is very important. Until you select the data in the column or in the row, you cannot get the graphs or charts. Now we will see when to use which kind of the chart. Your mathematics books, mainly in the statistics books, you will get a chapter of the descriptive statistics. In descriptive statistics, you will get the description of the which chart is to use in which purpose. For different kind of purpose, we use different charts. For the percentage distribution charts, we normally use the pie charts, hot percentage, and when the total things comes into 100, then it becomes a pi means a part of the circle. Now when the circular graph is taken, it is the pie chart. When there are number of the kind of categories which don't total up to the 100 every time, and but the comparisons and the time series data, we use a line graph. For the non-time series data, if we want the segregated data, then we use the bar charts. Bar charts are of the two types: the horizontal types and the vertical types. Some of the data which has a mental sensitivity means look wise. If you want to see that the things are very easy to compare on the vertical way, when we look top to bottom, the comparison becomes easy for some kind of data, and sometimes the looking from the left to right, we see the comparison becomes easier. So depends upon that comfort of looking at, that is the representation, the presentation, representation. A thing can get presented in the multiple types of way, and different kind of representation can give different kind of cognition, different kind of understanding in the human mind. So representing a same data with a different kind of charts can reveal the different kind of understanding until the into the mental process. That is the called the cognition and recognition, recognition, and this process is very important.